Okay, so that's the beginning of Let Me Put My Love Into You, AC/DC, from the Back in Black album. So we have the 7 and 5 here on the A and D strings. We're going to the 5 and 4 and back. So we got, hold that, do it again. This time we're going to go to the 5, 4, and then to the A power chord, open 2, 2 there. So it's after the 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we can add this E bass note after the riff. And that'll have like an E bass before the 5, 4 and before the power chord. So we got. Okay, so that's kind of the heavier one. Now you have Angus over here doing this higher one sometimes as the thing progresses. It's like a. Okay, so that's 9 and 8 on the G and B strings to the 7s and back. And eventually you get into that. So big open to the 7s. Into the A again. Okay, so it's like part A is the one without the big bass note, and part B is the one that has the big bass note. So it's like 2 A's, 2 B's, and then the verse starts. It's like 2 A's and 2 B's. So it kind of goes back to no E bass note when he starts singing to kind of bring it down a little bit, and then it pumps up halfway through. And then we have the pre-chorus. We got an E power chord. We're gonna go. So chord and then bass, bass, chord again. So and we got a quick little bluesy run. We got open 2 to 4 to that 3 there, and then slide it on back on that G string. 4 to 2 to open, pull off there. So. Okay, so it does the same riff when we go to the A. So it's E in the riff, A in the riff, E in the riff, and then A, G, A. Okay, and that takes us into the chorus. So one more time in this pre-chorus, we got. Okay, and then the chorus is going to be this D power chord, open 2 and 3, A, and then that E is a little ahead of the new beat, so it's like 2 beats each on these. With this one, 4, and, so you hit a little early on that one, you don't hit on the 1 of the new measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. So we just hit the 2, 3, and 4 on that E power chord. So 2, 3, chorus. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Last one, 3, 4. So that one you do wait till the downbeat of the new measure. Okay, then we're gonna have part B again. So that was. Okay, so we actually do that 3 times right in there, and then we're gonna have our pre-chorus again, the E thing, 3, 4. Back to the chorus. Okay, there's a build up there leading into the solo. The solo's rhythm is going to go. Okay, so E twice, and A, E, A. So you have like 4 times of that, and then the last one's gonna chug on that A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chorus again. Doing like 7 of those, and then you have you'll hold for 4 beats on this one, 4 beats on that one, and then we're gonna have, so you can go to the power chord on these two, and then we wait a while, drum fills and stuff, A at the end. Okay, so let's take a look at everything real quick. We got that's our part A, and then part B is with the E bass. And then you have that higher one. Okay, and then we had the pre-chorus. Chorus. Alright, those are our main parts, and then our solo thing was how to build up. Okay, it does that 4 times. The last time it'd be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chorus. Okay, everything's kind of the same there, and it kind of ends with, which you could have this too. Alright, Let Me Put My Love Into You, AC/DC. Great old rock and roll stuff. Pretty basic, but still some really great sound and riffs. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot.